I'm just your typical voiceover guy. But what I'm about to pitch to you isn't your typical driving experience. Do you want to learn or experience the art of drifting? Well, every artist needs his tools. And don't forget his canvas too. Welcome to Queensland Raceway, on-track drifts gallery to these works of art. Now let's stop talking in metaphors. Suit up, chuck your lid on, buckle down, and meet your over-enthusiastic instructor.